out this pre-owned 2017 GMC Acadia SLT Limited. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This GMC is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and sunroof.